Alright, so I'm back down here today. I had the long pole the other day and the creek was just up and muddy. It was cold. Today's a beautiful day. I don't know, I think it's about 60 something today. So anyway, I come back down here. I brought my little hand reel that I made. In the back, I put a hole right here, and I got some lures. As a matter of fact, I got a cork. I was looking for a cork. Need to get that out of there. Yeah, I lost a split shot. But anyway, so I'm gonna use this real cork just to make it easier, but and then I got my line on this. See, right now I got a jig on it, but I'm gonna take the jig off and we're gonna put one of these hooks on there. And then I'm gonna round up some worms like we did the other day, but I'm just gonna put this on that other video. And that other, still on that other pole. But let's try, put a worm on there and try one of these, maybe that size hook right there. We'll put it on there and see if we can't catch it. These down here aren't real big, so I don't want a big hook. I just hope today maybe we can get one to bite. Because I just want to see if you know, these safety cards, people put them in their billfolds and take them with them. I just want to, it's got a little burr on the bottom from that thing. I'm going to knock it off. I think I got my multi-tool. And it's got a little file on it. A little file and a fish scaler both together. I was putting some rod holders on my boat today and touched my finger with a with a disc grinder. So got a little band-aid on here today. May have to edit some of this because I know it's going to be a long video. I'm going to put a little bit more bend in it than what was on the thing. I like that a little bit better. I don't want it to be all the way like a circle hook, but there we go. I'm going to put that on there now. And a worm and a cork. We'll throw that out there a few times and see if we can't get these things to hit. My wife and me comes down here a lot. We catch fish all the time. It was just too cold the other day. And that old big heavy pole I was using, I guess I could use it again today, but since I brought this little hand reel, I've never caught one with it. I think I'm gonna try it today. And I could make a cork like I did the other day, but let's just use this one. Since I'm using the hand reel, and I do keep this in my hand reel, so just a little bitty cork. Okay, just like this. Got a hook and a cork, and I don't think I need a split shot because I went and got me. Use my shovel. I got these. I got grubs. Got some grubs and some worms. We'll try one of these grubs. A smaller one, because he's gonna have to get that thing. I may have to let him swallow it. I don't know. We'll see. The big thing is being able to throw this hand reel without losing my bait. Oop, he pooped on me. Here are the blue jays. Okay. Whew. Works pretty good. Whoa, I don't want to slip down there in the creek. Last thing I want to do. Oh yeah, they got way out there then. The water's clear today. I think we'll get a bite at least. Oh, one was following it. One followed it up to the bank. Looks better than it did the other day anyway. The wind's blowing in my face. Probably need just a little bit more weight. Oh, one hit it. There he goes. Oh, got him. It works. It looks like the old safety card. So I got a grub, used one of these safety card hooks, and just caught that. So it actually works. That's pretty cool. All right, let's get another grub and see if we catch one just a little bigger. We can cook it. I would cook this one if I was in a survival situation. But anyway, let's see. Maybe we need a bigger grub for a bigger fish. We'll put this bigger one on there. I ain't never used grubs. I've always just used worms, but okay. All the rain we had, the bank's slick. Whoop. Bang, slung my grub off. Got another piece of bait. I ain't throwing it as good as I was earlier. Oh, it's going under. The bait's just too big. He got my bait. I gotta get some more. Got a good one this time. This one right here will be able to eat, I think. I'll get my line all twisted. Whew. Man, that ain't bad there, is it? Got him hooked. Look at there. That's a more than a hand size. We'll eat him. Whew. All right, we're gonna have a little catch and cook. We caught him on this card and my hand reel. I always wanted to do that just to see if it would, you know, in a survival situation or something, or we could do it. But it's hard to throw it, and I guess I could practice more and more, and if I had more weight I could probably catch them. But anyway, catch and cook. Alright, we're gonna get right here and fillet this fish. Let's get right here and fillet this fish. This is a knife I got from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. That way I'd always have it in my bag. What's the lens right here? And anyway, I bought like 4 of them. They went like $10 or $12 a piece. But I also have a little bitty one that folds. I want to make one like Carolina Chris did. That way, you know, it just means more, just like he says when you make stuff yourself. But anyway, let's just get this fish filleted. The hook's still in his mouth. I just had to cut it. Anyway, we'll fillet him on the back of this. Whoop. The creek's so muddy and steep. Normally there's a sandbar down there that I could do it on, but I couldn't today. My old hurt finger makes it tough today. Ooh, this knife's sharper than what I'm used to, so. Won't be too many more weeks, all the bugs will be out. Last time I did this, remember the yellow jackets was killing me? We'll just throw him out there for the muskrat. I meant for the mink. Last time I saved it for that mink set, and I caught a possum. Okay, we got the fillets. Okay. That scalbert's a little cheap, and the knife kept sticking through the leather, so I put this duct tape around it because I was afraid it was gonna poke me. Anyway, let's go see. All right, we're getting set up down here. Get my stove and all going. I want to cook some noodles with that fish and some coffee, so let's get some water boiling first, because I always cook the fish and then I end up, everything's always cold. Man, it's been beautiful the last few days. I think next week we're supposed to have a day that's like 80 degrees, 83 degrees. Man, that's gonna be pretty amazing. Canteen cut. Water. Hope I got enough. I can get some out of the creek. I got my grail, so I'm gonna turn it up. I always have this down low, and I always forget, and it don't never boil. And I'm gonna cook some, well, I thought I had rice. This is chicken flavored, some kind of sauce with some noodles in it. It's just one of those cheap ones that you get like at the Dollar General or something. So we'll cook a little of that, and on some coffee, and fry some fish. And that's gonna be some good stuff. Gonna be good. My fish is over here in this water. I need to dump that water out. Look at that. I'll salt and pepper them down real good with some spices. I got some spices and some salt and pepper. Got that, I'm gonna have to get some more of that red hog, red-eyed hog. That stuff's pretty good. I got it at Georgia Bushcraft Gathering. Put that in there. Salt and pepper. Whoop. I ain't got jalapenos. I forgot. I didn't know if I'd catch fish or not, and I didn't really bring a lot. I just got my normal stuff because I can't keep jalapenos in there all the time. It's gonna be good. Coffee. I got some instant coffee in a big container. I was gonna bring some of that, but this stuff here is pretty good too. Hard to work with that one finger crippled up today. That wind's blowing. See that wood where I was using my one Tigris down here several days ago? Gonna be boiling in just a second. I'll go ahead and get some oil in that skillet. Be able to go with that pretty quick after we get the. I got the oil in this bag just in case it leaks. It's a little bit slick, like it leaks a little bit, but it don't. There ain't none in the bag, so feel pretty good. Starting to get more organized. All right, it's boiling. It's not a real big boil, but it's good enough for this. Woo. All right, coffee. Whoop. Noodles. I may have to add more to it. I'm gonna set this over here because I can clean the skillet when I get through, right? I need to get my glove. Need to get something to flip it with, I guess. Got this little bitty one. Got that right there, stir. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good when it soaks up. You right? Now that's gonna be fresh. I just caught that about 15 minutes ago. Man, I wish I had my jalapeno. It's still gonna be good. You gotta be careful. Last time that stuff went down there and got a little bit on that fire and it blazed up. Good fish. Didn't know I was gonna have a catch and cook today. Oh man. Woo. Oh, I lost it. I got that 30-second rule. It don't stay on the ground over 30 seconds. I'll pick it back up and eat it. Thanks for being down here with me today. My granddaughter was born this past week. Her name's Emmy Teal. She's beautiful. And we got Camp, the little grandson. He's 6 months old. And man, I tell you what, we're just blessed. I can't wait till they're big enough to come down and do these videos with me. Looks better with the jalapenos in there, but that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, man. That's some good stuff. I need to wash this plate out a little bit because that water come out of that branch. I don't want to make myself sick. Yeah, that steamed it pretty good. All right, we got fish. Fish and noodles. Pour some of these out, pour some of that water out. All right. These probably need to soak just a little bit longer. They need to soak just a little bit longer, but this fish looks delicious. It's delicious. That red-eyed hog is really good on there too. Of course, salt and pepper on something, but it's not real fishy. Of course, brim is always good, especially when in a creek or something, if the creek's clean. This creek here comes out of several underground springs, so you know there's a couple of cow pastures up through there, but it's still pretty clean. All right, I'm gonna let these keep soaking. I won't get these again because it's taking them a little longer to dehydrate. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. I'm gonna eat this. May even have a little quiet time down here, and then we'll get back with you and talk about what we did and close this video out before it gets to be 2 hours long. Hey, thanks for being down here with me today. Just wanted to demonstrate that, you know, the catch and cook, and to use the card just to see if you could actually, in a survival situation, use that card or not. So, and we was the other day, there just wasn't biting. So, and I had that long pole, it was hard to fish, but that, being able to sling that, but today they was just hitting, they was just biting today, and they wasn't the other day. So, you know, it's got a lot to do with that, but to prove that the hooks actually would, you know, hook them. You know, I didn't really have to. I thought I was gonna have to let them swallow it or something, but I didn't. I caught them just like a regular hook. But so that's pretty good, you know. But anyway, thanks for being down here with me today, and maybe we can shoot some more videos here soon. I got my boat ready today to go crappie fishing, so maybe we can do something like that. But anyway, thanks for being here. Wish you could be here to drink a cup of coffee with me. Creek Camper out.